In this video you will see how to open PDF in LibreOffice Writer. There are two methods. In the first method, you can go to the file option and select this option open, and then select the PDF file that you want to open and click open. This will open the PDF file, and now you can make changes here. For example, you can add a text box and type what you want, and if you want to save this document, you can go to the file option and then click on save. So this is one option. The other option is just go to the drive where your file is located, right click and go to open with. Here you will see LibreOffice. If you don't see, you just have to click on the other option and then locate the LibreOffice on your computer and then click on open. So this will also open PDF in LibreOffice Writer quickly. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out this video if you want to learn how to edit PDF in LibreOffice. See you again in the next one.